just a park, and it's like, I think everybody loves babies. So it's like, we want to make sure that you're okay and nothing happens, you know. I even got a parking ticket, but, you know, yeah, I was trying to get to a gig. It was a very important gig, and I was trying to get there, and I wasn't speaking too much, but the cop caught me, and I was like, oh, how am I gonna get, because I already had 2 tickets. You know, the third one, they took away, you know, so I had to get quick, you know, and I was like, he got to the car. I was,
no, you did not, Lonnie. No, you did not.
Oh my God, she does it so real.
That was really good, Lonnie.
Officer, help me. I had like some, I had a soda. I threw it all around the car. I was like,
oh my God. What? Ultimate liar.
He drove me all the way to the hospital. This is a true story.
Wait, did you walk in? Once you walked in,
I walked in. I did that. I had to.
You gotta pull through. Then what happened?
And then I was like, thank you, officer. We can take it for you. We're the nurse.
No.
And he left? And then when he left, and then?
But the nurse was my cousin. See, I went over there to Compton General.
And then you told
and she knew that I was playing, so. But don't recommend doing that, okay? No. It was just, I was in dire straits.
Genius. I'm all about getting out of
told me a really good one to get out of the ticket. Tamara told me a really, really good
one.
Yes.
You say it.
Is it the water one?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, I can't believe I'm saying this on national television. But, okay, the best way to get out of a ticket, okay, is to have, like, water bottle by you or, you know.
Always keep it in the car.
Always keep it in the car and then, like, spill it on yourself and say, sir, I just had to use the bathroom. I was speeding because I had to use the bathroom. Look, I peed on myself. It works every single time.
Oh, my God!
I swear.
How could you do that, Tamara? What coming from you? I got to stand me, but you, Tamara Housley.
Hey, sometimes you gotta get out of the tickets.
So do you do this on a regular basis or only when you're pregnant?
Yes, both.
Okay.
What was that?
I'm